This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Erin Morris. Move-in ready home with excellent location. This home offers main level living with storage galore. Convenience in any direction such as I-40, Morristown, Knoxville, and easy access to the Smokies. The roof was replaced in 2018 with a metal roof. The main bedroom offers 2 closets with a separate entrance to a covered patio area that extends out to the semi-wrap-around deck. You can access the deck using the stairs or a large ramp that meets the covered carport. Walkout storage basement offers so much potential. Plumbing has been completed in basement and offers 3 storage rooms. The homeowner currently uses the space for a playroom. There is as much living on the outside of the home as the inside. Walking out of the basement is a covered patio, which leads to the large level lot. A 16 by 80 utility building with a 14 by 32 attached shed. The buildings do have electricity. The building currently has a non-attached wood-burning stove and woodworking equipment that will convey with the property. The groundwork of adding storage and creating extra space has already been provided, which allows you so many options. Don't miss out on all this home has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Erin Morris at 865-687-1111.